Drip, drip, drip. Mike, it's 2 in the morning and that's the only sound in your kitchen. What is it?
Oh, I know that sound. That's a tap that won't stop. A leak, right?
Exactly. And today we're going to help you do something about it. If you rent your home and water is dripping, you need to tell the right person and get it fixed.
So this is for everyone who rents. We'll practice how to talk to your landlord, how to describe the problem, and how to book a good time for the repair.
Friendly but firm, let's get into it. Okay, so let me tell you about my friend Nadia. She moved into a new flat about 3 months ago. Nice place, good light, quiet street.
Sounds great. What went wrong?
One morning she's making tea and she looks down. There's a little pool of water under the kitchen sink. She touches it and yeah, it's wet. There's a leak.
A leak under the sink. That's the pipe, probably.
Right now, here's the thing. Nadia rents this flat. She's the tenant. She doesn't own it.
Wait, let's stop there for a second. Tenant. That's the person who rents, yeah, not the owner.
Exactly. If you pay rent to live somewhere, you're the tenant. And the owner, the person who owns the flat and rents it to you, that's the landlord.
So Nadia is the tenant, and she needs to call her landlord.
Right, and here's why that matters. In most places, a leak like this is the landlord's job to fix, not the tenant's. The landlord has to keep the home safe and dry.
Oh, that's good to know. So she shouldn't pay for it herself.
Usually not if it's the pipes or something built into the flat, but she has to tell the landlord fast. If she waits, the water can spread and cause real damage.
Damage, so the water can hurt the floor, the wood, things like that.
Yes, damage means harm, something gets worse or broken. A small leak today can become a big, expensive damage problem next month.
So step one is really just, don't wait.
Don't wait, so Nadia takes out her phone and she sends her landlord a message. Now, she's a little shy about it, and I want you to hear what she wrote first.
Go on.
She wrote, "Hi, sorry to bother you, maybe it's nothing, but there might be a tiny bit of water, no rush at all."
Oof, that's too soft. If I'm the landlord and I read that, I think, okay, it's nothing, I'll look at it next month.
Exactly, she was so worried about being polite that she made the leak sound tiny. But it wasn't tiny. The floor was wet every morning.
So how should she write it? Still polite but clear.
Right, friendly but firm. Something like, "Hi James, this is Nadia in flat 4. There's a leak under the kitchen sink and the floor is getting wet. Can we arrange a repair soon, please?"
Oh, that's much better. She says who she is, what the problem is, and what she wants, a repair.
And she doesn't say sorry 5 times. One line, clear facts. The landlord knows exactly what's happening and what to do.
I like that word, arrange. Can we arrange a repair? It sounds calm but serious.
It does, and the good news, James, the landlord, wrote back in 10 minutes. He said, "Thanks for telling me. Let's get it fixed this week."
See, being clear worked. He wants to fix it too, because he doesn't want damage to his flat.
Exactly. A good landlord wants to fix a leak fast because the repair is cheap now and the damage is costly later.
Okay, let's slow down and look at our words so far. First one, leak.
A leak is a hole or crack that lets water or gas out when it shouldn't. There's a leak under the sink. You can also say a tap leaks or a pipe leaks.
Next, tenant.
A tenant is a person who pays rent to live in a home. As a tenant, you have the right to a safe, dry home. If you rent, you are a tenant.
And the opposite person, landlord.
The landlord owns the home and rents it to you. My landlord answered my message in 10 minutes. Remember, one word, landlord.
Then we had damage.
Damage is harm that makes something worse or broken. The water caused some damage to the floor. A leak can cause damage if you wait too long.
And to make it good again, we fix it.
Yes, to fix means to make something work again. Can you fix the tap this week? And the noun for that work is a repair. Let's arrange a repair.
So fix is the action, repair is the job. He came to fix it and the repair took an hour.
Perfect. Say it in your head right now. Leak, tenant, landlord, damage, fix, repair. 6 words and you can already report a problem. So now James, the landlord, wants to fix the leak. He says, "I'll send a plumber. When are you home?"
And this is the part people find hard, right? Choosing a time.
Yes, because you have a job, you have a life. You can't just wait at home all day. So Nadia needs to make an appointment that works for her.
Appointment. That's a set time when someone comes to do the job or when you meet.
Right, so the landlord writes, "The plumber can come Wednesday between 9 and 5. And Nadia thinks, 9 and 5, that's the whole day.
Yeah, that's so common. They give you this huge window and you lose a whole workday.
So here's where friendly but firm comes back. Nadia writes, "Wednesday works, but I go to work at 10. Could we make the appointment for the morning, maybe 8 or 9?
Nice. She says yes to the day, but she asks for a smaller time. She's steering the appointment, not just accepting.
Exactly, and she gives a reason, "I go to work at 10. A reason makes your request feel fair, not difficult.
So what did the landlord say?
He said, "Sure, the plumber will come at 9. His name is Tom." So now they have a real appointment, Wednesday, 9 a.m. with Tom.
That's a clear plan. And I guess she should write it down so she doesn't forget the appointment.
Always put it in your phone. Now, Wednesday comes. Tom the plumber knocks at 9. And this is the moment where the tenant has to explain the problem in person.
Right? Because a message is one thing, but talking face to face is scary for a lot of us.
It is, but it's easy if you keep it simple. Nadia opens the door and says, "Hi, Tom, thanks for coming. The leak is under the kitchen sink. The floor gets wet every morning."
Perfect. She shows him the leak. She tells him what happens. She doesn't need big words.
Not at all. Then Tom looks and says, "Ah, yeah, this pipe is loose. I can fix it now. The repair will take about half an hour."
Half an hour, that's it. All that worry for a 30-minute repair.
That's the lesson. Most repairs are small if you catch them early. And Nadia asked one smart question. She said, "Is there any damage to the floor?"
Oh, good thinking. Because she wants to know if the water already caused damage under there.
Right, Tom checked and said, "A little, but it's still fine. Good thing you told your landlord early." And that's the whole point.
Because if she waited a month, the damage would be much worse and the repair much bigger.
You've got it. One more small thing, Mike. After the repair, Nadia sent the landlord a short message. "Tom fixed the leak, thank you. All dry now."
Oh, I love that. She closed the loop. The landlord knows it's fixed, and now there's a message that shows the repair happened.
Exactly. As a tenant, keep your messages. If there's ever a question later about the damage or the repair, you have proof.
Friendly, firm, and keep a record. That's a good tenant. Let's do our words again because we added a big one. Appointment.
An appointment is an agreed time to meet or a time for someone to come and do a job. We made an appointment for Thursday morning. You can make, book, or set an appointment.
And when the time doesn't work, you can ask to change the appointment, right?
Yes, could we make the appointment for the morning? Give a reason, and most people say yes.
Then repair the job of fixing.
Right, the repair took half an hour, and to fix is the action. He came to fix the pipe. Fix, repair, one is the doing, one is the job.
And damage, the harm the water can cause.
Is there any damage to the floor? Great question to ask a plumber. Small leak, small damage if you're fast.
And the two people again, tenant and landlord.
The tenant rents and reports the problem. The landlord owns the home and arranges the repair. Tenant tells, landlord fixes. Okay, let's pull it all together. Mike, if you find a leak tomorrow, what's the first thing you do?
Don't wait. Message my landlord fast and be clear. Who I am, what the problem is, and what I want, a repair.
Yes, friendly but firm. Don't make the leak sound tiny when it isn't. You're the tenant, and you have the right to a dry home.
Then when they offer a time, I don't just take the whole day. I ask for a smaller window and make a real appointment.
And give a reason for your time. When the plumber comes, show them the problem in simple words and ask if there's any damage.
Then after they fix it, send one short message so the landlord knows the repair is done. Keep the record.
So our words today: leak, tenant, landlord, damage, fix, repair, and appointment. 7 small words that solve a very real problem.
And remember, most repairs are small if you catch them early. A leak this morning can be a 30-minute fix this afternoon.
Well said, try it out loud this week, even to your mirror. Hi, there's a leak under my sink. Can we arrange a repair?
Thanks for listening, everyone. Stay dry and we'll see you next time.